This is Motorola Moto E6s, and today we would like to demonstrate that you can bypass the parental controls on this device. So to begin with, I would like to note that in order to use this method, you have to know the password to the child's Google account. So if you do not know, unfortunately this way will not work for you. So let's go ahead and begin. You have to launch settings, then enter the Google category. In here, let me quickly show you that my parental controls are actually active. Here they are. So from here, you need to tap on the blue Manage Your Google Account sign over here. Wait until the the management center of the Google account gets loaded. Then enter Data and Privacy category over here. Scroll the page all the way down and opt for the Delete Your Google Account option. Do not be afraid. Do not be scared. Right after we will turn off the parental controls, we will also recover the account. So no big deal. In here, enter the password real quick. Then scroll the page down, check those two boxes, then delete account. In here there are two types of message that you can get. You can either get this one that confirms that the account deletion was indeed successful, or you can also get the something went wrong message, which is also completely fine. So both messages identify that everything went smooth and well. So in here, basically the parental controls were already deactivated, which I can show you by opening the Google category of settings. No account is currently linked, and if I'll open up the parental controls, as you can see, there are none. So all that it's left to do for us is to restore the Google account we have just removed. You can do that by simply using this Google account to sign into the Play Store, which I will do myself. So in here, enter the email address for it. Then I will quickly, before that, you have to get this account was recently deleted and maybe recoverable message. If you did get the message, then you're doing everything right. Let's let it be a little confirmation for you. So then click on the button that says next, then enter the password to the Google account. You might get the something went wrong message from here. Do not be scared. Just re-enter the email and password once again. It's not no big deal. Nothing to worry about. So I'll enter the email address once again. Then I will also re-enter the password. Set up the account, the thing that you get while signing into the Google account usually. Nothing difficult at this point. And once all the Google services will be enabled, once you accept everything that it asks you to accept, as you can see, the Google account has been successfully used for signing in the Play Store. Thus it has been recovered, restored. The parental controls are deactivated, so great success, I suppose. Alrighty, so that would be it. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.